There's your battery.
I got 3 back here and 1 up front. AGM.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. It's alright, don't worry about it, man. Alright, what's your name real quick?
My name is Cody Clark.
Okay.
I have 4 EVO 12s on a Crescendo 45.
Okay. What is it wired to?
Half on.
Half on. Nice. You done a lot of testing, I see. Have you got your port dialed in yet?
Yeah, it's been like that for a while. Yeah. But I'm about to trade a guy 2 ZVX 15s for 2 of these.
Yep.
I don't know when it's gonna be built.
Okay. Do you know the tunings on it?
35 to 55.
35 to 55. All right. Where's your amp at?
That's in the back.
In the back? Okay. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Woo! That was some crazy door flex. All right. Nice. There's your battery.
I got 3 back here and 1 up front. AGM.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. 18 hertz? Okay.
Yeah, it plays really good at 18.
All right. It does like the low. Is that 6th order?
I was very surprised.
It's your rear tuning is tuned low probably.
Yeah.
So it holds the cone control to react to that. So thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Hey, nice to meet you, man. You have a good day.
You too, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.